If you somehow found yourself in the Nevada desert and accidentally discovered the hidden U.S. military base called Area 51, you would be in serious trouble. They would likely arrest you, harm you, or perhaps even take you away by extraterrestrial beings. But what if you gathered 1 million other people using social media to attempt to raid Area 51? Could they actually prevent such a huge crowd? And what might occur if the people did manage to enter the base? This is What If Curiosity scenario exploring the consequences of 1 million people storming Area 51. If you haven't heard of it before, Area 51 is a highly classified U.S. military base, heavily rumored to have secret military technology and perhaps aliens. It's been a subject of conspiracy theories for a long time, and now you're curious to find out if any of those theories are real. Area 51 is a place where people are not allowed to visit, so you can't use your GPS to get there. To reach it, you have to rely on online guides. The nearest airport is in Las Vegas. From there, you'll need to rent a car and drive through the southern Nevada desert for a few hours. But there's a problem. Around 1 million people are trying to do the same thing, so there are big challenges like heavy traffic and the possibility of causing harm to Nevada's roads and other structures. Imagine 1 million people reaching the front gates of Area 51, ready to storm the base. However, the base's private security, known as Camo dudes, armed with weapons, constantly patrol the area in white pickup trucks. The element of surprise wouldn't be on your side, and the whole world would likely know about the event, attracting a substantial military presence from Edwards Air Force Base and beyond. With the military determined to keep Area 51 secrets, they would use non-lethal force, such as pepper spray, to disperse the crowds. However, they are authorized to use deadly force if necessary, making the situation extremely dangerous. Expectations of arrests and casualties would be high in such a scenario. Even if some managed to sneak past the guards, finding the actual Area 51 base wouldn't be easy. The base is discreet, with blacked-out windows and minimal visible lights from the outside. It covers a vast area, and navigating it would be a challenge. The mystery surrounding Area 51 adds to the excitement. Speculations range from advanced military technology to UFOs and aliens. However, entering the base without proper equipment could be dangerous due to potential pollution from government experiments. Storming Area 51 would likely result in getting sick, arrested, or even dying, with no chance of getting a baby alien as a souvenir gift. Exploring the mysteries of Area 51 may be better left to the imagination, or perhaps if aliens decide to reveal themselves to us in the future,